What is culture? It can be hard to define. It's what gives us a sense of identity and belonging. It's the stories we think are important, our people and language, our history and legends, our music, landscapes, buildings and institutions, and much more. Throughout September and October 2022, Creu Conwy's Casglu project has been asking, what would you like to put on the culture map of Conwy? Over 150 people shared their thoughts, often about forgotten or lesser known aspects of local culture, such as the Cursing Well of Llanelian, Ysbyty Ifan's link to Abraham Lincoln, and the Pemain Bach Beep Beep Tunnel. These have all been captured on an interactive digital map. Artist-led workshops held at libraries around the county offered the opportunity for people to contribute creatively to a community co-produced visual map of culture in Conwy. This film gives a snapshot of some of the places that feature and conversations that have taken place as part of the Casglu project.
Hi, I'm P. Restall from the Peculiar Gallery in Abergele. We run events, we run exhibitions, we try and support local artists. One of the things that we did in the summer of 2022 was a Jubilee Arts event. We had lots of local artists exhibiting and we managed to run some free workshops for the community, all supported by Transforming Towns Conwy Council. Really, really great event, and it would be brilliant to bring cultural events back into Abergele.
John William Hughes. Well, the oldest, to my knowledge, is the harp. 1600 and something. They've got to be over 200 years old, haven't they? 250 years old. But I couldn't put dates on them. Mm-hmm. There's a Hesketh, as you said, was a pub. The Castle. The Bee. The Bull. The Gwyndy. The George. The Penabont. By the river. That's why the bridge is there, over the river.
Eirlys ydy'n enw fi, a dwi'n byw yn Cerrig y Drudion. Maen nhw'n gofyn i mi siarad am y gweithdai fi si yn Llanrwst, hefo Nerys yn gwneud slow stitching o ddyn alw fo, a Chloe yn gwneud paper cutting. Do'n i rioed wedi trio'r un o'r ddau o blaen. I ddeud y gwir, fedra i ddim pwytho, ond nes i fwynhau o. Dwi yn mynd i lot o wahanol weithdai, o wahanol fatha. Dwi wedi gwneud bob matha o bethau, o glai i wydyr, i ddefnydd a bob matha o bethau. Dwi yn hoffi gwneud crefftau, ond dwi'n teimlo na dwi'n da i ddim byd, dydyn nhw'n werth i dangos i neb. A mae o mor hawdd mynd at efo'r gweithdai yma pan da chi'n cael gwneud y gwaith hefo bobl eraill, mae o'n hawsach rwsyd na wneud o adrach hun.
Hello, I'm Errol. I'm a priest in Conwy. Culture is a huge part of what we're a part of here. It's not only that we sing God's praises here on a Sunday morning, but the church is open for visitors between March and October, so that the story of this medieval building that we're standing in here, St Mary's Conwy, is told. But also we have things like the Conwy Classical Music Festival, which draws audiences from a really wide area for all kinds of classical music. More contemporary music can really find a welcome here. this space has been a continuous place of prayer and worship for 850 years. But it always reflects its times, and people come to this place of a spiritual heartbeat in times of sadness, but times of joy too. And culture really plays an important part in everybody's life.
Hi, I'm Alex Ioannou, and I live in Bangor, but I often come to Conway and Llandudno to hang out. Coming to the cinema is one of the things that I come to do here. I come to Venue Cymru and see some live things there, but also sometimes there's things on like markets that I like to come to, but also sometimes there's pop-up events, like the library is also very important, so I come here.
I'm Eunice and I live in Colwyn Bay. My favourite cultural thing in Colwyn Bay is the Eisteddfod gates at the entrance to Avis Park. They're beautiful ornamental gates with red dragons on them, and they were a gift to Colwyn Bay following the 1947 National Eisteddfod, which was held in the park. And it was the first Eisteddfod held in North Wales after the Second World War. There's also gorsedd stones in a gorsedd circle in Avis Park from that Eisteddfod. The gates stand very proudly at the entrance to Avis Park, and they are well worth going to have a look at.
Helo, fi ydy Aled Roberts. Dwi yma'n Llandudno heddiw. Dwi'n gweithio yn galeri Mostyn fan hyn. Dwi hefyd yn gweithio i'r Tai Gogledd Cymru, so shout i heina. Pan dwi ddim yn gweithio, dwi'n hoffi mynychu. Mae yna lot o caffis gwych. Na i ddim enwi rai, ond mae'n Llandudno, Bai Colwyn. Dwi'n hoffi, mae yna tafarndau da, mae yna cwrw da, cwrw iawn ar y stryd lle dwi'n byw. Mae yna marchnad dda, especially mae yna artisan marchnad trydydd dy Sadwrn, so mae yna gwerthod i Bai Colwyn adeg yna.
Thank you to everyone who has contributed to the project. To view the culture map and find out more about the Casglu project and Creu Conwy, the cultural strategy for Conwy County Borough Council, please visit www.conwyculture.com.